What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to replace your backup or reverse lights on your 5th gen Toyota 4Runner. And the bulb you're going to need for this is the 921 bulb, and I'll leave a link for these in the description below. First, you're going to locate the panel that's located just behind the lights themselves. This panel right here. Next, locate the small notch that's located at the bottom of the panel here, and take a screwdriver or flathead screwdriver and pry up at that notch, then remove the rest of the panel by hand. This upper connector is for your running and stop lights, and the lower one is for the reverse lights. Next, grab the connector and rotate it counterclockwise 45 degrees and pop the whole connector and bulb out. Just be careful not to break the bulb inside the taillight housing. Next, grab a rag or a pair of gloves and remove the old bulb. And when you reinstall the new bulb, you want to make sure not to get the oil from your hands onto the new bulb, so I recommend using a clean rag. And it's recommended that you replace these bulbs in pairs. Next, grab the replacement bulb with a clean rag or paper towel. Insert it back into the connector. And make sure you press it down firmly, just be careful not to break the bulb. Then reinsert the bulb and connector back into the light housing at about the 10 o'clock position and rotate it clockwise until you hear it click. Now it's locked back in. Last thing you need to do is replace the cover. And you're all set. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also check out all my other 4Runner maintenance videos, and we'll see you in the next one.